If you want to connect your GoDaddy domain to Shopify, you need to add the correct DNS records first, and in this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to do it properly. We're going to add the A record and the CNAME record. Remove any conflicting records and make sure your domain is ready to connect in Shopify settings. This is a super important setup step for any store owner, because if your DNS isn't configured correctly, your domain may not point to your Shopify store the way it should. So if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your GoDaddy account and open your domain portfolio. This is where all of your domains are listed, so find the domain you want to connect to Shopify and click on the domain name. Once you're inside the domain settings, look for the DNS tab and click it. The DNS section is where you manage all of your records, including A records, CNAME records, and any other entries tied to your domain. Now click Add New Record. For the record type, choose A. In the name field, enter the @ symbol, which is at dot. This tells GoDaddy that the record applies to your root domain. In the value field, enter 23.200 and 27.38.65. This is the IP address Shopify uses for domain connections. Leave TTL set to default, then click Save. After that, click Add New Record again. This time, select CNAME as the record type. In the name field, type www. In the value field, enter shops.myshopify.com. Again, leave TTL on default and click Save. At this point, your main Shopify records should be in place, but you're not done yet. You also need to check for any extra records that could interfere with the connection. Look for any additional A records that point to @ and delete them, because multiple A records can cause conflicts. Then delete any AAA records as well, since those can also interfere with Shopify domain setup. Keeping only the correct records helps ensure your domain points cleanly to your store. Once those changes are saved, the next step is to go into your Shopify settings and connect the domain from there. Shopify will check your DNS records, and if everything is correct, the domain will begin linking to your store. Just remember that DNS changes do not always happen instantly. It can take up to 48 hours for the updates to fully propagate across the internet. So if it does not work right away, give it some time before checking again. And that's it. You've now added the A record and CNAME record in GoDaddy for Shopify, removed the conflicting records, and taken the final step toward connecting your custom domain. If this tutorial helped you out, please like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.